Hi my dear viewers. In this video we are going to discuss a fun in mathematics. As we all know, no two numbers are equal. In this video we are going to discuss how to prove 1 is equal to 2 as a full proof. Let's discuss method 1. Assume A is equal to B. Multiply with A in both the sides. So A into A square is equal to A into B, AB. Subtract B square from both the sides of the previous equation. So A square minus B square is equal to AB minus B square. Apply the formula for A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is equal to, take a B out from AB minus B square. So it is B into A minus B. Divide A minus B on both the sides as that is a common factor. After cancelling A minus B on both the sides, we will be getting A plus B is equal to B. Since A is equal to B, A plus B can be written as B plus B is equal to B. B plus B is 2B is equal to B. Divide by B on both the sides. We can cancel B on both the sides. We proved 2 is equal to 1 using method 1. Let's get into method 2. Again, assume A is equal to B. So, bring your B to your left hand side. So, A minus B is equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 1. Multiply equation 1 by 2 on both the sides of the equation. So, 2 times of A minus B is equal to 2 into 0. So, 2 times of A minus B is equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 2. We know that A minus B is equal to 0. So in equation 2, in place of 0, substitute A minus B. That is, substitute equation 1 in 2. Keep it as equation 3. In this equation, A minus B is common in both LHS and RHS. So divide by A minus B on both the sides. So we can cancel A minus B on both the sides and hence 2 is equal to 1. We proved 2 is equal to 1 using method 2. Let's get into method 3. In this method, assume A equal to B. Multiply both the sides of the equation A equal to B by A. So A into A square, A into B, AB. Now add A square on both the sides of the previous equation. So A square plus A square is equal to AB plus A square. A square plus A square is 2A square, which is equal to AB plus A square. Subtract 2AB on both the sides. So 2A square minus 2AB is equal to minus 2AB plus AB plus A square. 2A square minus 2AB, keep it as it is. Minus 2AB plus AB is minus AB. So in your RHS it will be A square minus AB. Take 2 as common from your LHS. So 2 times of A square minus AB is equal to, take 1 as a common element. So 1 into A square minus AB. This A square minus AB is a common element in both your LHS and RHS. So cancel it. We will be left with 2 is equal to 1. Yes, we proved. Let's get into method 4. In this method, consider 1 is equal to 1. Subtract 1 on both the sides of the equation. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. We know that 1 can be written as 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 square. Leave your left hand side as it is. Just change 1 is 1 power 2 in your right hand side. Use the rule A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B. So 1 square minus 1 square can be written as 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Since this 1 minus 1 is a common element in both the sides of the equation, divide both the sides by 1 minus 1. So cancel the factor 1 minus 1 on both the sides. We left with 1 is equal to 2. Yes, we proved. To get more such videos, subscribe to my channel, like the video. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section. Don't forget to press the bell button to get more such ideas as a videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.